Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am sharing my May crafty empties as well as all of the May crafty stash that I have left. So let me go ahead and start with the empties. So first I have this pack of gemstone stickers. These were from the Dollar Tree and I used these in Happy Mail goodies. I also finished off this pack of glitter stickers from, I believe, Heidi Swap. Yes, and they were like hearts and stars of gold glitter, so I finished using that up. I also finished up a pack of the Tombow adhesive dots as well as several of their Mono Permanent Plus. I love this adhesive. It's one of my favorites from them. And some of these I had already started and there was like only a little bit left, so when I finished them I popped in some new refills and then used those up too. So I used up a bunch of those as well as an extreme adhesive refill. I also finished off some Maggie Holmes stickers. So these were cut apart from my stash and I pulled them into this month's stash because they're Maggie Holmes and all her stuff kind of goes. So I finished off these. There were only like a few stickers on each little partial sheet, but I did use them up, so that's exciting. I also used up 3 of the sequin little doodad things that I pulled out. So 2 of these were actual sequins, and then I think in this one was like some clear jemmies, but unfortunately I was rummaging through my sequin drawer looking for new sequins and stuff to match my June stash, and I found some more of these clear ones and some of the black ones too. So yay, I guess, but I think the ones that I found are all that I have left, so we'll see if maybe I can use those up sometime soon, but I'm happy about these. I'm not going to be tossing these containers because I will reuse them. I also used up a thing of baker's twine. This one had some mint baker's twine on there, so I finished that up. I used up a couple of the white bows with the gold glitter, a few little brads, a little pack of these little like crosses, court crosses or X's from Studio Calico. I also used up a bunch of little gemmy pieces. So all of these were like little gemmies and little remnants of them on there. So again, I used up a whole bunch of those for my stash, so it's exciting. This little sheet of, I think these were some crepe paper Valentine stickers, so I finished up those. And then I finished up a roll of washi tape. So this one is all gone. It's so sad because it's so beautiful. Like this pink rose or floral pattern is really, really gorgeous, but I'm happy to have one less roll of washi to try to get through. Now to the crafty stash leftovers. So all of the papers that I had showed you guys that I printed before, I used up most of them and all I have left are like strips and pieces. I don't think I actually wound up, maybe I used a little bit. Oh, I did use up some of the white glitter thing, like on my little tag book for the eyelets or whatever, but I just have like a bunch of random little strips and pieces and things. Yeah, these I think were from a Maggie Holmes paper pad that I added to my stash because I needed some 12 by 12 papers. But for the most part, I feel like I did pretty good on this, so I'm very happy about that. These are all of the die cuts I have left. Now I am going to insert a little video clip right here in just a second because I did have to make more of these, so I wanted to show you guys the original bunch that I had gotten through. So let me show you that right now. Hey guys, just a little vloggy bit here because I wanted to show you kind of what I have going right now. I'm about halfway through my March stash like videos, but I need to print and cut more papers and embellishments and I'm almost out of stickers, so I wanted to pop this in here real quick before I accumulate more so you guys can just kind of see, you know, I've used up a lot of the scraps that I had pulled. These are all of the little phrasey things and tickets. These are the smaller little embellishments I have left, and then these are some of the larger ones. So you can see I've gone through a ton. Like I'm all out of florals basically and all sorts of other things. And then I don't really have very many stickers left. So I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stickers. So I also am going to be pulling in some more stickers to work with, but I thought it would be cool to show you guys kind of what I'm at right now before I print and cut some more, because I might have more than this left over after this stash is done. I don't know, we'll all find out together. So now this is all I have left from the second batch, so I'm really happy about that. I feel like I did a good job of using these things up, and I did share a bunch of them in Happy Mails and stuff, but I totally consider, you know, sharing things in Happy Mail as part of using up my stash, so I'm totally fine with that. And cool thing is since this was all digital, I can always print more if I want to work with the collection again. I have this whole situation, so I did want to use some of these sequins, but I wasn't totally, to be quite honest, I don't want to use these up quite yet because it's just so beautiful and I love it so much. So I went kind of light on these, which I'm totally fine with. And these are actually from my friend Alice. She just started a YouTube channel, so I will link her down below. But she had sent me this in some Happy Mail. This box is super cute, and I found some similar ones on Amazon, so I will link those down below too in case you guys are interested in that. I did wind up using some of these chipboard things. They're all kind of mixed up now, but I did use some of them. As we all know, I did finish up a roll of washi. This one is almost gone, so I might actually move this one to my next stash and try to use it up since it's almost gone. I went through quite a bit of the gold one. This one just will never end, I feel like, because there's so much on there. This one I did fairly well on. And then this black hearts one. Still have a bunch of these. I used up all of those white bows I had pulled. I still have some of these that I left blank for myself. I experimented with some of this pink glitter this month, but I didn't really like how it turned out, but I did wind up using some of it. Gold glitter I used on my rosettes, which if you've not seen that video, I will link it down below. These are some of the black diamond gems that I was mentioning earlier. So I do think I used up the clear ones. I don't know, I can't remember. But yeah, but I found some more of these black ones as well as the clear ones, so I'm not quite out of those yet. These are the sequins I have left. I will probably push these two forward and maybe this blue one as well. Maybe these hearts, I don't know. We shall all find out together. So I feel like it did pretty good. As for random embellishments, these are the ones I have left. So I did fairly well. I didn't touch these lemons at all, which makes me so sad, but they were just like a little bit too bright for the collection. And then these are all of the enamel things I have left, or rhinestones or pearls, so I made quite a dent in those. And as for this little bin, I did wind up using quite a bit of it, so I don't really have that many more stickers left over. I wound up not using any of these, or these cameras, or these, but these are similar to the ones that I had empties of. So on this sheet I only have 2 stickers left. This one just has 1, so I'm almost done with those, so I'm happy about that. I think I had shared this thing of gold die cuts and stuff, so I have used some of these. Obviously I didn't make a huge dent, but I did use them and I did reach for them, which for me is a win. I don't think I used a ton of wood veneer this month, which surprises me because I feel like I was doing really good there. I did share a little bit of it, but not a ton, so I still have some of that left. And then my baggies, you guys know I don't count those. I used up a few of these stickers, but not very many. I don't think I reached for this one at all, so I'm probably gonna put this back in my stash for a while. Yeah, I still have this bag for some reason. And then as for Happy Mail goodies that I made, I only have 1 of these rosettes left, and then some of the little handmade by like tag or label things. So that is pretty much everything that I've used up this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you're using up your stash too. I'm really curious how that's going for you if you are. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my video where I shared June's crafty stash. It's a fun one. I'm really excited about it. But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!